Today I'm going to make roasted carrots and zucchini, and I have a nice herbal mixture on them with a little bit of zing that you're going to love. So just watch and find out how we do it. Hi everyone, welcome back to Renal Diet HQ. I'm Mathea Ford, and if you're looking for a kidney-friendly side dish that's delicious for everyone, we've got a treat for you today. Today we're making roasted zucchini and carrots, and these are packed with vitamins and nutrients, great for people with a kidney-friendly diet and anybody else that you'd like to eat with. Let's go over our ingredients. We have carrots and zucchini, which are our vegetable stars of the show. And then we have oregano, black pepper, red pepper flakes, make it a little spicy, thyme, and a little bit of oil to make everything stick together. All right, the first step we're gonna do is we're gonna put the carrots and the zucchini in a bowl. Then we're gonna add the seasonings. If you don't want it too spicy, you can take out the red pepper flakes. I like it a little bit of a zing. And then we're going to drizzle the oil over the vegetables and spices and stir it all together with our spatula to get everything coated. This is a really simple recipe that you're going to love because it comes together quickly. You bake it in the oven, and everybody can eat it. Nobody even knows that it's no salt. So the next step is to pour them onto the sheet, cookie sheet with the parchment paper and kind of spread them out. So we're just gonna make sure everything is a single layer. Oven's preheated to 425, so let's put these vegetables in there and get them cooking. All right, so now it's time to get our roasted zucchini and carrots out of the oven. Oh, it looks so good. Nice and hot. What do you think? Let's let them cool off a minute and then we'll eat some. And there we have it, the roasted zucchini and carrots with the delicious herbal mixture on it. They are so good. Ooh, I can taste a little bit of that red pepper. And these are perfect for kidney health, lots of vitamins and minerals, and it's really, really good.